Alright, welcome to Chaka Context. In this tutorial, we'll be putting us through ceiling finishes. We've been able to talk about wall finishes, floor finishes, and now we're talking about ceiling finishes. Alright, ceiling finishes could be of asbestos, it could be of suspended ceiling, and it could be PVC ceiling. Alright, depending on the taste of the client, basically. Alright, now when we look at asbestos ceiling, rate build up generally, like I've always told us, has three major components. We have the material component, we have the labor component, and we have the profit and overhead. And I always say, where the machineries are involved, you have to include machineries, plant and machineries also. Alright, asbestos ceiling basically come in 1200 by 1200 mm size, standard size. Alright, that is 1.2 by 1.2, and 1.2 by 1.2 is 1.44 square meters. It means one asbestos sheet is 1.44 square meters. And asbestos sheet basically ranges between 3,045. They also come in different qualities. Alright, 3,000. Let's see, we're using 3,200 naira here per sheet. Alright, per sheet, and the sheet is 1.44 square meters, but we're working for 1 square meter. Alright, so if 3,200 is for 1.44 square meters, what about 1 square meter? Cost per square meter, this is 3,200 divided by 1.44. Alright, that's how we arrive at this value here. Alright, so definitely we'll be needing tie rod. You know, basically, if you have seen an asbestos ceiling, all right, you already have noggin, right, from the wood ceiling carcass, okay, and then we have our asbestos, then we have batting. That's what we'll use there, batting, a tie rod to hold these boards to the ceiling noggins. I hope we get that explanation. Alright, so we need one length, one tie rod per square meter, and each costs 200 naira per length. Alright, so of course we'll be needing nails, so we're needing, let's say, about 7 nails per square meter. Alright, and the pack, it has 100 pieces at 3,500 naira. Per pack of 100 pieces, so one single one will be 3,500. This is 3,500 divided by 100. Alright, so that's how we got 35 naira per box. Usually is bought in packs. Alright, okay, now if we bring everything down into this our table, our analysis table, we have asbestos ceiling, 1 square meter, 222. We have nails, so we need in 7 numbers. We need them tie rod, 200 naira. Alright, 7 numbers, this is 7 times 35. Then we need one of this, so that gives us this. Definitely you're going to have cut-off waste. Alright, say 15%, it could be 10%, it could be 5%, it could be 9% waste. And labor requirements, a gang size of two carpenters and 1 labor. All right, so they give us an output of 60 square meter in a day. All right, now of course we know skilled laborers are paid 7,500, while unskilled laborers are paid 3,500. For 2 skilled labor, that gives us 15,000. For 1 unskilled labor, that gives us 35. So that gives me this. All right, of course this is for 60 square meter, so for 1 square meter divided by 6, that gives me 308 naira 33 kobo. We have our material component, which is this, summary material and labor. We have our labor component, which is this. This is what we have here. All right, so if I sum them up, I have this. Add withholding tax 5%, and profit and overhead of 30%. Now I've explained withholding tax before. Withholding tax are for clients or for projects that are registered, for companies that are registered. Please, if you're working for your friend, or maybe the man that is your neighbor, or any firm or company that is not, or individual that is not registered, please, there's no need. Nobody charges withholding tax. All right, I've clarified that in previous videos. So we add our profit and overhead. So basically, now irrespective of your location, all you need to do is, what is the cost of asbestos? All right, impute it and everything will change. Take for instance, you say, okay, in your area, in your location, asbestos is 10,000 naira per square meter per sheet. Right, this is 10,000 naira. See, everything here has changed. Everything has changed. And of course, you can regulate your profit and overhead. It ranges from company to company. All right, so that I just undo. Right, so Control Z. So that gives us 4,608 naira per square meter. Now, suspended ceilings. Now, suspended ceilings also come in 600 by 600 size. 600 by 600 size. They come in 600 by 600, and we have 8 numbers in a pack for suspended ceilings. 8 numbers in a pack. All right, and of course, the covering size for one pack is 2.88 square meter. That is 0.6 by 0.6 times 8. All right, standard size, of course, this is what we have now. 0.6 by 0.6, which is the covering size. That's what I just said. The covering size, covering area per pack, covering area per pack is what we have here, 2.88 square meter. All right, now pack of suspended ceiling at 7,500 naira per pack. The market these days is very volatile. You can get to the market, it has changed. But however, this is the principle. Once, all you need to do, what is the price of suspended ceiling in the market? Come here, impute your value. Impute your value. If today it says suspended ceiling is 25,000 naira from your market survey, everything is going to change on this template. Everything is going to change, right, on this template. So all you need to do, what is the price of suspended ceiling in the market, or that particular material in the market? All right, so this is what we have, right? In a pack, a pack is 7,500 naira. So cost per square meter, remember I said one pack has 2.88 square meters, but we're not working for 2.80, we're working for 1 square meter. All right, so this will be 7,500 divided by 8 by 2.88 only by 8. All right, this is basically what we have. This is basically all right, okay, I was just trying to work out something. Okay, all right, so this is what we have now. Of course, we'll be needing nails, right? We'll be needing 7 number of nails, which is 2,750, and use 3,500. all right. So of course we have grid and wire suspenders at 1,200 per square meter. Now, of course, if you see suspended ceiling, right, some of them can be of exposed grid or enclosed grid. I don't know if that's the term. Exposed is when you come, you will see the grid physically like this. All right, I'm pointing on my ceiling. I don't know. I forgot you can't see it. All right, you see it. You can easily go online and just put suspended ceiling with exposed grid. You will see the grids. All right, and if it's enclosed, you will see how it is enclosed, how the grids, you'll not be seeing the grids as you see them when they are exposed. Say 1200, right, per square meter. So basically, these are everything we just calculated here. This is our ceiling here. This is our ceiling for 1 square meter. Of course, we need nails. Then also we need grid and wire suspenders. All right. So we have this. We have waste. Because they come. I said you have breakage waste, but because they come in 600 by 600. So for this, that gives us that. This is our material. This is our material per square meter. Now the labor component, 1 square meter 300, and because it's really not too difficult to place to fix. All right, 300 naira. Okay, we have the material now. This is a summary. We have the labor. Add everything up. I have this. Add withholding tax 5%. Add profit and overhead. We have this. Now this is a principle showing us how to build operate for suspended ceilings. Please, as is applicable to your area, don't say Checker Quantics has said the price is 75. Please, as applicable to your area, what is the price of suspended ceiling? Put it here. All right, news, if it has changed in your area, ask. Grid and wire, if it has changed, please ask questions. Don't just come and say Checker Quantics has explained it is 6,500. Please. All right, please ask questions, do your market surveys, impute your values here, and you're getting your rate. For PVC ceilings, are they even still in vogue? Are they still in use rather? PVC ceiling. All right, now we know PVC ceilings are basically those ceilings that they come in. They are always long. Maybe it's 200 by, I think they come in 200 by 6 meters or so. All right. Okay, yeah, 0.200 by 6 meters, 0.2 by 6 meters, and we have 15 in a bundle. 15 in a bundle. All right. So 0.2 by 6 meters by 15, we have 18 square meter. That's the coverage area per pack is 18 square meter. Now, of course, bundle of suspended ceiling, suspended PVC, you should put it like that. Bundle of PVC. Let me clarify that. All right, it's 33,800. Again, do your market survey. All right, so the cost per square meter, of course, will be this divided by 18. Forget the cost per square meter, and of course we say this is 35. Right. Okay, of course this one uses the clip to clip them to your noggins. You clip them. All right, so 500 naira per square meter. So basically our information here will bring into analysis sheet suspended ceiling. This is this, of course, nails, and PVC clip also. We use clip to join the PVC together, right? It comes in 200 by 6 meters. So to join two PVC together, we use clip. Then the nail, use the nail to the noggins. All right. This gives us this. Then we add, of course, cutoff waste, because it is 6 meters. If a room may not be up to 6 meters, a room may be maybe 3 meters, 3.6 meters at most, you have cutoff waste. So add waste of 15%. That gives us that. So labor output per day, say 2 carpenters and 1 labor. A gang size of 2 carpenters and 1 labor gives us 60 square meter in a day. Of course, 1 skilled labor 7,500, 2 is 15,000, 1 unskilled labor is 3,500. If I add this up, that gives me that. Now this is for 60 square meters, right? If I divide by 60, I have it for 1 square meter. That is my labor per square meter. So the summary now, we have material plus labor, which is, this is the material here, right? This is the labor. Or maybe my subsequent video I may just teach how to use Excel shortcuts for us as quantity surveyors. Maybe I may just impute that one of the classes. Well, let's see, sure. Alright, so that gives us this. So we add withholding tax 5%. I've explained withholding tax over and over again. Add profit and overhead of 30%, 25%, 10%. It depends on various companies. It depends on the overheads of the various companies. I've seen a company where they do profit and overhead 50%, even some 60%, some even 65%, and some still do 15%. So it depends on the size of the company, all right, and the company's overhead. So please let us take note. All right, so that gives us 4,703 naira per square meter. Please, again, do your market survey. Let us do our market survey. Checker quantities, I have explained the principle. All right, do your market survey. Impute excuse me, impute current prices of each of these items, and you're getting your perfect rate for that particular item of work. I hope this video helps you in your career and helps you in your professional practice. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're ready to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do well to watch our videos. You will learn. I can assure you, you are going to learn a thing or two from our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, ask your questions. If you want any of our templates, it is free. You can send us a mail, you can send us a message on WhatsApp. All right, if you have any question, please do well to ask. Don't be ignorant of knowledge. No man is an island of knowledge. All right, did I say that right? No man is, how did they used to speak that English? No man, somebody should help me. No man is a monopoly. I remembered. No man is a monopoly of knowledge. Ask questions. I also ask questions. Maybe you don't know. I also ask questions. Alright, so please do ask your questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Chaka Quantics.